Hi.
Hi.
Here is Jessica from Northern Ireland, a nursing student, and she is passionate about the learning disability. And just we had a conversation about compassion in nursing, where it comes from. It comes from the family, nursing, and reading, education, and everything. I also expressed the 12th century philosopher in India, whose name is Basavana, about Ivanarava. You can say now, Jessica.
No.
Follow me. Ivanarava,
Even
Narava,
Nara.
Ivanarava,
Even Nara.
ಎಂದೆನಿಸದಿರಯ್ಯ
Yandisanira.
ಇವನಮ್ಮವ
Even Nara.
ಇವನಮ್ಮವ
Even Namara.
ಎಂದೆನಿಸಯ್ಯ.
Yandisanara.
So Jessica, you did very well. See, it means in English, do not othering. So don't other. So he is somebody different. He is different culture. He is different opinionated. So don't feel that he is somebody else. He is one among us. Ivanamma means one among us. Yeah. So Ivanamma. Who does